Hello, hello, Shay here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for coming to see a brand new kit preview for Munimade Monday. So on Mondays, Em and I do these videos together. My name is Shay. Let me introduce myself. I do have my own YouTube channel, but Em and I partner together to make these videos. So yeah, if you'd like to come check me out and have fun with some other diamond painting content, my link will be down below, so please come join me. But today we're going to be focusing on Munimade. Yes, y'all, I have a brand new painting for you today. You can see she's holding a book. So if you are an avid reader, or you know of an avid reader that also might want to diamond paint, this would be a great gift for them. This is from the artist Shari Borba. Now, we have had some other paintings from Shari, so she's a newish artist with Munimade, but this is called Parisian Reader, and it is square, and you've got the start date and the end date, and of course it's got the size and the diamond count. It's a 60 by 76 in centimeters, and there's your SKU number. It has 60 colors. Out of those 60 colors, all these highlighted ones right here, all our special drills. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It seems like they keep increasing. That's amazing. 10 special drills that have a little extra sparkle to them to add to this painting. She does give you some extra labels. Now again, these are stickers. This entire sheet is a sticker. So you just peel and they are individually cut and you can just put them right on your storage containers, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and take a little gander. We'll take a little tour of the painting. Actually, first, let me point out the tag. You all know I love the handy dandy tag. This tag is great. What it does is you can wrap your diamond painting, roll it up, and this goes around it to keep it rolled up. It's just a little elastic band. It is heavy cardstock. It's got all the information, the original artwork. You can also write on the back of it. You can hang it off of a lot of different things. You can also put it in your pack of drills, so it's really nice to have. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a tour of the canvas. Again, it's called Parisian Reader. And I'm going to show you a couple of details that I saw as I was kind of looking at this a little bit closer before I started filming. Okay, so I'm going to show you the special drills in a minute. So let's just take a little look at this painting. Okay, so start at the top. You see you've got Munimade up here. Now, I love the little mushroom garland hanging back here. I love the mushrooms. You can see she's got some plants. It is a woman, you know, reading a book, a beautiful blue and gold book. She's got her ivy hanging down. Now, in the window in the background, the Eiffel Tower is right here. I didn't see that at first. So there's the Eiffel Tower. She's got a hanging basket there, another flower. What I also like is the flower wallpaper in the background here where the books are. She also has the same little flowers in a pot, a little snail pot right here. She's got these really beautiful pillows. I love her hair. I wonder what she looks like. She's got more plants here. She's got her socks on. She is just cozied up. I love this so much. You see a little tray here. Love all the colors in it. She's got a clock. Yeah, she's definitely into her book. She is reading a good one. So, all right, let's see. We've got the legend here on the bottom left. It shows all 60 colors. We've got another legend on the top right with a thumbnail. And here at the bottom, you have another thumbnail with all the information. Parisian Reader by Shari Borba. It's got the size, 60 by 76. There's your SKU number again. And then, of course, it's got Munimade's website. Plus, definitely go to Instagram and support Shari. Shari Borba _ designs, okay? We definitely, which I know I don't need to say this, but some of you may not know, Munimade only has licensed artwork. It's very, very important to her and to a lot of us in the community. So thank you for doing that. All right, so let's look at the colors, okay? We did get 2 packs of drills. And right here, it says 1 of 1 and 2 of 2, or 1 of 2, 2 of 2. They are individually bagged and they are in order. You can see one right here, and then this is the first 29, and it looks like 30 through 60 in this one. So it's like just half and half, 30 of each. Look at these beautiful colors, lots of greens, browns, peach. I love it. Love, love, love the colors. I did pull out the 10 special drills. So we are going to see where those go together. Now there is a combination of shimmer and ABs. So our first one is 669, and that is a shimmer drill. You can see it's just got a tiny, like a little light dusting on this one, on these ND drills, the shimmer drills. So we've got like a Kelly green on this one. So let's see, 51. Okay, so it's that symbol. Okay, right off the bat, and I haven't even looked at this yet. All right, it's in the green right here of the leaves that are hanging, almost like in a macrame, kind of like a little hanging basket right here. I see the green here. I love this painting. That might be it, y'all. But let me just check this side. No. That's all I'm seeing right now. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna be in the leaves of the hanging basket right here, that green, okay? And the next one, ooh, this is pretty. We've got a really pretty orange. That's 740 ND, so that's gonna be another shimmer. And that's gonna be our little triangle symbol. I'm just gonna look and see where orange is. That should be pretty easy. Yep, right here in the center of these little daisies. Here, here, and here. Yep, that's where I see it. So we're gonna have some here. So they're really trying to cover the different components of the painting. Now this is a really big bag. This is number 53, that's 907. I love this color. That's a big bag, so that's another shimmer. This one is, okay, I see it right off the bat here. It's that lime green that you see through here and these branches, kind of the tips right here. It's almost like, again, they really like to use the lighting. I see the lime green here. I see it all in the green here of this plant. Now that looks like a macrame basket almost. Ooh, I see it all in the spine of this book right here. Oh, I see it up here. There's a lot of green here. Okay, I don't think I see it anywhere else. A little bit right here, and almost like the grass of the Eiffel Tower, like in the grass behind. Of that. Okay, the next one is another shimmer, and that's going to be 912. And let's see, that's the dollar sign. And it's kind of like I would say this is more of a Kelly green, or yeah, the other was more of a jade green. So let's see, dollar sign. Oh, I do see it. It's going to be in this flower again over here. I see a lot of those dollar signs here. See it? So this little flower right here is going to be really, really pretty. All right, this next one, oh, this is really pretty. This is like a teal, kind of like a seafoam green 964 shimmer. Oh, yep, also in this flower right here, this plant is going to really be, I mean, because he's right near her. So that's going to be really, really pretty. That's where I see that color. All right. And let's see, we've got another, oh, this is pretty. This is almost like a copper, another shimmer. We've got DMC 976, a big bag of that. That's gonna be the question mark. So I'm gonna kind of be looking for a brown. That's what to me, okay, so I don't see it in the window. I thought maybe it would be there. It's in the book. It's all in this gold that you see in the book. Oh, that's gonna be so, so pretty. Do y'all see that? I'm just using natural light, so I hope the glare isn't too bad. Oh, yes. Okay, so all this gold's gonna be here. Oh, it's also outlining the clock, and it's right here. Oh, and it's also in this book. Wow, okay. Yeah, it's right here. There's a lot of it. That's gonna be really, really pretty. Okay, let's see. What do we have next, y'all? We've got our last shimmer, because the other three are going to be ABs, and this is 3774, and it's a big bag. It's like a really pretty kind of like beige, almost like a soft pink. Yeah, almost like a flesh color. Yep, we're gonna have it in her arms. It's gonna be this white right here, kind of that light color, outlining her arm right here. I also see it outlining the pillow right here. Oh, it's all the pillow. All this pillow right here is all gonna be that color. Oh, that's really cool. All right, I like that. And let's see if I see it anywhere else, because I said there's a big bag of it. I think that's the only place I see it. Okay, yeah, I see something else though that's gonna be really cool. All right, so we have, now we're moving on to our Aurora Borealises, our ABs. This is 742, and you can see on these is a thicker coating on there. A little bit, you know, you can really, it stands out a lot more. So we've got this orange. That's the moon. Let me see, where do we see orange anywhere? It's probably gonna be, yep, I figured, yep, in the daisies. So you're gonna have the shimmer drills in the orange and the yellow, and then you're gonna have this. Ooh, that's gonna be really cool. All right. So our last two, oh, look at this one, really pretty, 819. Again, kind of like a blush pink, and that's an AB, good size bag. I see it right here. I see it here, kind of like in the books, and here, and let's see, where else do I see it? Oh, okay, here of this book, all this area. Let's see, I'm trying to keep my head out of the way. I think that's where I see it. And the next one is what I'm really excited about. Check this out, y'all. Our very last AB. This is a huge bag of 5200, which is white. And I see this in a lot of different places, okay? So it's basically gonna be outlining a lot of the main features. So you've got like, it's gonna be outlining the curtains, outlining this curtain, outlining some of the greenery right here for the plant, outlining some of her book, her head. I mean, wherever you see the white, that's gonna look so good. It's basically, I mean, all the white you see, the Eiffel Tower, right here, her socks. Wow. Right here along the edge of the pillow, along the edges inside these daisies right here, outlining this. Wow, that's gonna look so good. Yeah, it's just gonna really highlight all these white areas all around. Oh, what do y'all think? Is this not amazing? I don't have anything from Shari, but I'm loving this, and I'm trying to get the glare, and I'm just using natural sunlight today. So yes, and I love the little mushroom garland, that little cute touch. I have noticed in Shari's painting, she definitely has like a lot of greenery. She has one that I think it's like a greenhouse type of, but yes, I love her artwork, and I love this snail vase. This is just adorable. I love it. So let's talk about some extras, okay? If you want to do any premium upgrades. Now, what you can add to your cart is a dust cover bag. You will be getting a purple bag because it fits this perfectly. So you get a purple dust cover bag. These are awesome. They're great for travel, just for storage. They've got the drawstrings. You just put your painting in there rolled up and voila. And then of course you can also hang the tag off of here, which is really nice because you'll know what painting it is. So you can go ahead and add one of those. If you do want to add an upgraded toolkit, you can do that. You can do a 3D printed tray. So with that, you get to choose the color that you want and the size. You can choose small or large, and you get to, the drop-down menu will give you the different colors. So with that 3D printed tray, you'll also get this fun organza bag that's got a novelty pin, washi tape, a cover minder. You've got blue wax, tweezers, another pen, some multi-placers. She really gives you a lot of fun stuff in these bags. Now, if you need a toolkit, just a basic toolkit, she does give it to you for free. We don't include these with all of them because of waste. We're trying to reduce waste. So, because a lot of us don't need toolkits anymore, but if you do need one, just check the box, toolkit, free toolkit, and we will send this to you. And this is what it looks like. Tray, pen, wax, everything you need to get going. And, ooh, the handy dandy carrying tube is another upgrade that you can add to your cart. These are awesome. They are telescoping. So first of all, you just take this off and you just notches, and you can extend the strap depending on the size of your diamond painting. I also hang my tags from the strap here. So these are a must-have. Travel, shipping a package. I ship diamond paintings in these. Going to a friend's house, road tripping. They are just so good. It keeps everything in there, and you can put multiple diamond paintings in there as well. So I think that's it. I did want to say that if for some reason this or any other diamond paintings that you go to click on and it is out of stock, make sure you do the email alerts, the back in stock alerts, and then you'll get an email because she does restock. So that way you'll get alerted whenever it's back in stock. Okay? All right, you guys, if you can hear the sound of my voice, this Shari Borba Parisian reader is available now on Munimade.com. Go grab it, get it. It's so pretty. I love it. Yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to M. It's free. Love you guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.